Hey creators, if you are new to AI and you often feel confused about what to type in ChatGPT or other AI tools, this short video is for you. Today I am quickly reviewing a new product called PromptMaster Starter Vault, built especially for beginners. We are discussing about my side free bonus end of this video. Here is the biggest problem for beginners face with the AI. You open ChatGPT and you type something simple and the result look average or confusing. Then you keep changing words, guessing prompts and wasting time. Most people don't fail with AI because AI is bad. This fail because their prompts are weak. That's exactly what this product is try to fix you. Prompt Master Starter Wallet give you a ready-made structured prompts. You don't have to think about wording or format. You simply you simply copy a prompt and paste into ChatGPT and or Sora or another tool. Make a small edits, get better result instantly. These prompts are designed to guide the AI properly, so that the output look more detailed, more creative and more professional. Using this bundle, beginners can create cinematic or realistic AI visuals and lifestyle, fashion, portrait, animal or adventure content and captions, short script, blog ideas and reels. For example, one prompt can help you generate a cinematic image and another help you write a matching caption, perfect for social media. Right now, the price is $19. For beginners, that's the small cost to avoid hours of trial and error. If you want to better AI result, if you want to better AI result without learning prompt engineering, Prompt Master Starter Wallet is solid starting point. Check the link in the description to see it. Thanks for watching. If you purchase per my link in description, I am going to provide you a free bonus AI for healthcare and robotics. This premium ebook cost almost $170. I will give you a free contact on Instagram. Send me the screenshot of the purchase. I will send you a email.